Is your Alexa unable to tell you the weather? It's a common issue and usually happens due to location settings or internet problems. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Alexa when it can't provide weather updates. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, check the basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection, and after that, try to follow the advanced solution. Open the Alexa app on your phone. Now tap on the device's icon below. It looks like a bulb. Now tap on your Echo device name. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on device location. Pin your correct address from this map, and then tap Save. Tap OK, and after that, restart your device and check your issues. And this is how you can fix Alexa when it can't provide weather updates. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.